Hey, this is Anna Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Art Deco invitation in silver. If you're looking for the templates to make this card, you can find them at Download and Print. To get started, we're going to go ahead and cut some 1-inch strips of this silver cardstock. The strip ends up coming 1 inch by 11 inches so that it's long enough to wrap around the invitation. I'm using a straight edge paper cutter to ensure I get nice straight lines. And then your second piece is going to be a 3-inch by 3-inch square. To get started with the fold, go ahead and fold it in half, making a large triangle. Use a bone folder to get nice sharp creases. Then we're going to fold that triangle in half again, making a smaller triangle, and just keep an eye on your points. As long as you keep those lined up, you're going to have a great looking fan. Then you're going to open up one of the triangles and squish it down to make a diamond. Line up your points and then crease the folds with the bone folder. Then flip it over and do it again. Open up the pocket of the triangle, lift it up and just kind of smush it down. Then crease with the bone folder. And the bone folder just saves your fingernails. If you're doing a lot of these, it's just a perfect tool to help you out. Now you're going to do an airplane fold to the middle seam. Crease it with your bone folder, making a nice sharp point on the one end. Then do the airplane fold again, going towards the middle seam. Then crease it with the bone folder. Now you're going to take your airplane and fold it back on itself, making like a double flap here. Get a nice sharp point. And in this video, I'm using kind of a heavier weight paper. I find that a lighter weight paper that's not as thick is actually easier to fold. You want something like origami type paperweight. Then you repeat that fold back on the opposite side. And there you have your diamond fan embellishment. We're going to flip it over and fold that point down. This is going to make the little ledge that slips over the band. Now this step's optional, but I took a creasing tool and I drug these lines across my strip to give it this Art Deco kind of detail. It's just scoring into the strip, and you can see how it sort of embosses those lines. Now I'm going to take my double-sided tape and I'm just going to tuck that in, and this holds the diamond together. And then I'm going to open that ledge flap, put some tape inside there so you won't see any of the tape that holds it onto the band. Then that hugs on the ledge of the band. Line everything up. You want to just kind of get it close to center on the strip and then press it with your fingers to make sure you have a good stick. To wrap the band around the invitation, just sort of align it on the center and then fold around the invitation. This gives you a nice tight fit. Then we'll flip it over and seal the band with double-sided tape. I like to stick my double-sided tape on the inside of the top flap so that none of my tape is exposed when I'm done. And there you have it. There's your band. Now you have a place to tuck in your RSVP cards and envelopes and any escort cards. And this creates just a nice finished presentation as if your invitation is gift wrapped. If you're planning a retro Art Deco inspired invitation, I hope you use this DIY template for your wedding. And if you like this project or want to see this version done in gold or any other ideas for making your own invitations, visit downloadandprint.com.